Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to replace text in Notepad++. This is a very useful feature when you want to change the same word or phrase throughout a document. First, open Notepad++ and open the file you want to edit. Make sure your document contains the word you want to replace. Now click on the search menu and select Replace. You can also press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the Replace window quickly. In the Find What box, type the word you want to replace. For example, type hello. Next, click inside the Replace With box and type the new word, such as hi. Now click Find Next. Notepad++ will highlight the first matching word in the document. To replace only that one word, click the Replace button. You'll see that the selected word changes from hello to hi. If the word appears multiple times, click Find Next again to move to the next result, and then click Replace. If you want to replace every occurrence at the same time, simply click Replace All. Notepad++ will automatically change all matching words in the entire document. This feature is extremely helpful when editing large files, correcting repeated text, or updating names and keywords across a document. After you finish replacing the text, click Close to exit the Replace window. That's it. You have successfully learned how to replace text in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.